What's up guys? In this video I am going to repair an EBZ 7500 made by Redmax, and the issue that we were having was it did not want to start. It would start up a little bit and then kind of cut out. So to me that usually means some kind of carb fuel delivery issue. You don't have any issues with the spark because it does turn over. And sometimes you could also find that the exhaust port might be blocked with some carbon. But here you'll see the carburetor housing, and when I took it off, the actual air intake to the carburetor, I noticed that the intake port mount was actually loose. So what happens there is, as it tries to fire up, it doesn't have the proper seal. You can see the mount there, the proper seal in place, and it is not getting the right amount of air to fuel ratio being delivered to the cylinder. So what I did was, I noticed it was missing a couple screws. Luckily I had some spare parts in the shed, and I took the screws, mounted the air intake mount the proper way. I put the carburetor back onto the mount and it fired right up. A couple things to note when you are taking off the carburetor. One thing you definitely want to do is just crack the gas cap, because a lot of times you'll find that that's under pressure, especially if you primed it, so when you pull those fuel lines off you'll have some gas spit out at you. So make sure you do that. And then the other thing is you can see I'm using a impact driver to loosen those screws. It might be best to use a screwdriver or a star wrench to get that out, because if you're not careful with the impact driver you can strip those bolts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was instructional, informative. Just make sure that it's not always what it may seem to be. And make sure you do a quick inspection before you jump into a long and lengthy repair job. Always keep it simple, and look back at all of the basic stuff first before you decide to go ahead and try and troubleshoot any more advanced things. Alright guys, this is DIY Repair Guy, and hope you have a good rest of your day. Stay tuned for the next one.